Okay, now this is how a Packard should really run. Look at this car. It's idling at 500 RPMs. You could actually put, if you wanted to, you could put a nickel on the car and it wouldn't fall over on the engine. Isn't that beautiful? And the car is running so well now. It's incredible. I mean, I had to do this video to show everybody. Right now I'm running on the electric fuel pump only, and I'm going to wind up configuring it so it'll run with the mechanical fuel pump, and I'll just put the electric on. I want to start it up in the morning, or if I have a failure of the mechanical fuel pump, which I really doubt I will. It's a new fuel pump. And if you look over there in the upper right, you'll see on the firewall, that's a backup electric fuel pump. So if I'm on the road and the thing should die on me, either two pumps fail, I got the third to back me up. So it's like the space shuttle. I got triple hit backups. But look at the engine. Look how beautifully it runs. So I just wanted to share that actually with myself.